I didn't say I was trying to press charges.
It's domestic. Domestic, the state takes over prosecution. The state takes over the prosecution, and she's got to go for tonight.
There's no choice. We got to search you.
I don't want her touching me.
She has to search you.
I don't want her
It don't matter what you want.
Bro.
No, female.
Okay, that's battery. She just wanted five.
Battery.
Yes, it is. That's it. You just need me right in the chest.
I don't. I'm not.
That's it.
No.
Here you are.
On October 6th, 2024, police were called to a Denny's after reports of a heated argument between a man and a woman spilled out into the parking lot. What started as a disagreement over clothes quickly turned into a full domestic situation, right in front of witnesses, employees, and children. And as we're about to see, once police arrive, things only get more complicated. When officers arrive, they're immediately met with conflicting stories. One side says they just want their belongings back. The other says they were trying to leave peacefully.
Everything is fine. I just want my stuff off of my boyfriend, and I want to go on my date.
It's your boyfriend. He's in there. Go ask him. He's the one who wanted the car.
Hi.
Say your name one more time, though.
Not Quasia.
Quasia.
Yes, not Quasia.
Says in here. What did you say his name was? Quante.
I'm the one that called.
What did you see?
The gentleman is inside. The one
Okay.
that there was an altercation. Inside the two were beating each other. They were yelling, screaming in the restaurant. Basically, it was just an altercation. The lady, the way I hear it, she wanted the shoes off. That's all I heard. But there was a domestic. Basically, they were hitting each other. When there's kids involved, you know, that's why I called.
You're good.
No, you're good.
What started it? You said the shoes?
Yes, apparently the shoes.
Okay, and who is the one wanting the shoes off? Or
Her.
she wanted to take
Yes.
her shoes off?
Yes.
Okay, and he became aggressive,
Yes.
or she was
They
aggressive?
both were aggressive.
Okay, let me go talk with him if you're...
He's on the counter. Well, yes, I was the call because my manager told me to call.
No, you did the right thing.
Employees tell police that the argument escalated quickly, with yelling, physical contact, and a tense environment inside the restaurant, enough that management felt it was necessary to call law enforcement. And one detail immediately raises concern for officers. Children were present.
Nikisha, I'm never gonna have to get your information on this. So do you have your license with you?
No.
Huh?
No.
Alright, spell your first name again.
It's NYQUASIA.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's not talk to me.
Did you witness anything?
No, I'm her mom.
Who's the matter with him?
I was on the phone and she called me, then the phone fell. And I called her back and she said she was here.
Okay.
Tell me what's going on.
She got mad about the clothes, about clothes I got off. She told me to take the shoes off, Say I'm not taking my shoes off. What am I taking my shoes off for?
Okay.
And we was in the room, she got mad, whatever. She told me, she said, get your shit, get the out. So I put on my clothes and I walked out. I walked over here so I could be able to call my grandma, call somebody to be able to come get me. Cause I ain't got no ride, I'm out here stranded. So I tried to call somebody. As soon as I was calling somebody, she walked in, all in my face. Who the f you calling? Get God, hang up the phone right now. And I'm like, I'm on the phone with my people, so I can get a ride.
Alright, she won't talk to me at all, and I've got to get some type of information from whatever he says. Because if she don't give me nothing, I'm just going to have to go by whatever they say. I'm not going to have her side, so it could go against her, not having her
Nothing.
side.
I just told him to get out the room and take off my stuff.
Get out of the room and take off your stuff. So what did he have on that was yours?
Everything he has on is mine.
Basically,
His clothes and okay.
they're in a relationship. That's her kid's father. She paid for his outfit. They're having an argument. So she told him to give it back, which I just explained to her that he doesn't have to give it back because it's a gift.
Who is she to you?
That's my girlfriend.
Girlfriend? Whose kids are they?
Mom. One of them is mine.
Wow. Okay. Where were they during this?
Huh?
Where were they during?
They won there. They won here.
Okay. Were they in the room? You have no clue? They were in the room when you left?
Yeah, they was in
With,
my left. Yes,
with
sir.
your mom?
Yes, sir.
Baby mom.
According to witnesses, the argument allegedly started over shoes and clothing. The woman claimed she paid for the outfit and wanted it back. The man argued that the clothes were a gift, and legally, once something is gifted, it doesn't have to be returned. This is where emotions take over logic. What could have been a simple property dispute turns into raised voices, accusations, and eventually, claims that both parties became physical with each other.
You need to see if you got marked.
You have any marks on you or anything? Where you got hit or did you get hit or anything? On your body? Did you get hit anywhere? Did you say no? Okay. And did you hit him anywhere? Huh? No. Okay.
So then, boom, I was on the phone. So then, boom, I hung out the phone with my grandma because she was hearing all. She wasn't really understanding. There was a lot of shit, a lot of noise going on. So I hung up and I walk out. She followed me out here. I walk off over there. She pulling on me. She just pulling on my shirt. She hit me a couple times in my face.
What's your phone number?
Some of the employees is saying they was having to watch the kids while y'all were fighting.
Nobody watched my kids.
I'm just
Well,
telling you what
it's
I'm saying.
cameras up here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We'll
So what you mean they had to watch? What they mean they had to watch my grandkids?
She talking to her. They didn't watch none of my kids. Just like y'all just pulled up and the officer said, stay right there.
So basically, the
never
kids were
watched
watching y'all having the altercation, the verbal altercation.
Yes, but they never had my kids.
Okay.
I don't even know them, so why would I have them even watching my kids? They was standing outside watching me and him. They was never watching.
So this happened inside or outside?
No, outside right here.
It happened right here.
Yeah, my room was right there, still with
Okay.
the door open.
So it happened in the parking lot.
You want to talk to him? Yeah. How long y'all been together?
Shit, for a couple years, probably about 4 years now, 4 or 5 years.
Any previous issues?
Like this?
Yeah.
No,
No.
hell no. No, sir.
Did you see who hit who first?
The woman hit him first, and then after she hit him, he hit her.
Where did he hit her?
The face.
Where'd she hit him?
Face.
Like, was it a punch? Were they
Like
slapped?
the punch, like on the
They were
side.
punching?
Yeah, it was bad.
He didn't swing on her. She swung on her.
Was he here by himself at first on? She chased him over?
Yes.
Yeah.
You know who that baby belongs to? No?
All I know is the little boy, that's my baby.
Okay.
Like, that's personally mine.
Okay. What do you want done?
Man, I don't want nothing done. I just want her to get away from me and stop putting her hands on me.
Right.
Because clearly, I ain't touched the girl, I ain't did nothing. If I'm sitting here talking to you calmly, I ain't did nothing wrong. I was just trying to walk away, to walk off, at least walk, because I couldn't tell my grandma to come get me, so I was trying to walk off. She pulling on my shirt. You got anybody that was looking through right there on that side. She was right there pulling on me, hitting me all in my face multiple times. I not once touched her, pulled her, grabbed her, anything like that.
Okay.
So how many kids you got?
4.
4?
Yeah, just have.
Officers do what they're trained to do, separate everyone and hear each side individually. Witnesses, including restaurant staff, state that the woman struck first and the man responded. Both parties deny parts of the story. No visible injuries are immediately obvious, but the situation meets the legal definition of domestic battery. And here's something many people don't realize. In domestic cases, the victim does not decide whether charges are filed. Once officers determine probable cause, the state takes over prosecution, even if one person says they don't want charges. That decision changes everything.
Let's just go back to the car for now.
I'm trying to find my keys.
Your keys?
Yeah, because I don't know if he has them.
Well, we can do that, but we can't do that right now. So let's go back to the car right now, okay? Wait till we get this done, then we'll go from there.
Motherfucker told me to leave. I was just leaving exactly like they told me to do.
Right.
I ain't doing nothing wrong to nobody.
Yeah, right? Why you calling me?
I couldn't. She the one had the phone. When I tried to call.
You didn't hit her, she didn't hit you, right?
She hit me. I didn't touch her. I'm not tripping on it. It's all right.
The server in there corroborated his story. He's in here minding his own business. She came in here and started hitting on him first.
So go help him out.
Yeah.
Things looking up for you. Things looking up for you.
So I'm talking to fellow over there.
I didn't say I was trying to press charges.
It's domestic. Domestic, the state takes over prosecution. The state takes over the prosecution, and she's got to go for tonight. So.
There's no choice. We've got to search you.
I don't want her touching me.
She has to search you.
I don't want her
It don't matter what you want.
Bro.
No, it's female.
Okay, that's battery. She just wanted God.
Battery.
Yes, it is. That's it. You just need me right in the chest.
I don't. I'm
That's
not.
it.
No.
Here you are.
As officers begin the arrest process, emotions boil over. Family members step in, tensions rise, and officers repeatedly attempt to de-escalate the situation. They make it clear, interfering or refusing commands can turn a bad situation into a much worse one. At this point, the focus shifts from the argument to the children.
Hey, stop.
I want you to get. I am. If you get the away from me.
Hey.
You telling me to stop? I have a freedom of speech. I can say what I want to say.
Tell you.
Okay,
You
excuse me.
interfere. Time out.
I'm trying to
You
make
wanna-
sure
you
she's
wanna film?
okay.
I asked her to go past the parking stop.
I don't.
Please get in the car.
Why?
We're gonna
I
push you in
do
the
not want to.
If you make this a worse situation or impede their investigation, then you could be arrested.
I'm not
Listen,
doing that. I work for a lawyer. I know my rights.
Listen.
I'm not impeding an investigation.
Talk.
I'm standing right here. How am I interfering with the investigation?
Well, when you start walking over to them and
I
they
didn't
have
walk
her
over
in
there to
custody,
there. I didn't walk over there.
I saw it.
Go ahead.
No,
Look, you're gonna end up causing your mama to get in trouble. There you go. There you go.
Listen, I'm not going to argue with you.
Thank you.
But
Thank you.
what
'Cause
I
I'm
am going
not.
to tell you
I'm not-
is we don't need any
But
more.
why is she crying like that? He attacked me first.
That's not what they're being said. Scoot your butt over, please.
I don't want to. I don't want. Can you just let me talk to my daughter to have her calm down? Just let me talk to her so she can calm down.
If I saw you calm and staying calm,
Okay,
then
I'm
then
calm.
that would be a good situation.
I'm calm. Sergeant, I'm calm. Let me talk to her to calm her down. That's all I'm asking. She's already going to jail. I'm upset. I can't talk to her before I go.
If both of y'all calm down, I may think about it.
I am calm. I do not want to go.
Make sure this.
We need to make sure you have the kids' information.
Yes.
And is she okay with mom? Is she okay with mom taking the kids?
Ah, I didn't ask that. Let me do it from inside.
Yeah.
Can you get her cell phone for me? I need her phone. Can you please get her cell phone for me?
Well, now we want something. We're gonna be nice.
Hey, ma'am.
I don't want to go.
Listen to me. Listen to me. I need you to. I need you to answer a very important question. Okay? Are you okay with your kids going with your mama?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Hey, sorry. Sarge, she's good with the kids going with her mama.
Okay. One more question. Does she want her cell phone to go to her mom?
Okay, one more important question. Do you want your cell phone to go to your mama? I need you to answer for me. I'm trying to be nice.
I asked you, can I talk to her?
And we can't because y'all are both riled up.
I'm not.
So answer my question. Do you want your phone to go to her? Your kids are going there.
Talk to her before I go.
Yes or no? Tell me yes or no.
Can you let me talk to her?
Tell me yes or no.
Why?
Because y'all were too rowdy together. So tell me yes or no. Can she have your phone?
I'm not.
I'm going to say no, and your phone will stay here then.
No, and I did.
No, you didn't.
Mom!
Police carefully confirm where the kids will go for the night. After several attempts to calm everyone down, it's agreed that the children will stay with their grandmother. This moment becomes the emotional center of the entire incident.
I got the camera.
Hey, Clay. Can you listen to me for a second? Clay, can you listen to me for a second?
I don't want to go.
I hear you. But what is done is done. Clay. Don't make this situation worse, okay? You got some kids.
Just talk to her.
Hey, listen, Clay. Can you make me a promise? Can you calm down? Can you calm down?
Yeah.
I will let your mom talk to you, but I need you to calm down, and I need you to stay calm down. Because listen, I'm a parent, you're a parent, right?
Yeah.
That's your number one job. If you make this worse, it's going to be harder on you. And we don't want that. Okay? What's done is done, but don't make this worse. Can you hear me? Look at me. Do you see that? I'm being very sincere in this. I don't want things worse for you. Okay? So stay calm. What's done is done. He has no say in it whatsoever. The state takes over the prosecution when it's a domestic related situation.
I will suggest that you are able to talk.
Okay.
But it's up to him, okay?
Yes, sir.
And just whatever that answer is, tell me you'll take it.
Yes, sir.
Watch his babies.
You're not gonna. Are you gonna stay calm?
I am. I'm just upset.
All right.
So, grandma or dad said that he wants to take his kid.
No, I don't want him going over there.
But-
No.
If mom doesn't want, mom
Yeah,
wants.
no, that I was
yeah.
just saying that over there.
I'll
I didn't
fix
know what the
that.
situation was. That's all I'm saying.
We won't keep that or change that.
Okay.
Your mom will. So, we calm? We're gonna stay this way?
Yeah.
All right.
Because I don't want to.
I'm good with letting
the situation
Mom talk?
anymore.
Yeah,
As long as
keep the cord going.
You good with get out of here so it doesn't amp up again?
Yeah.
As they do?
Wait, are you checked out this room? Where's all your stuff?
In the car.
Where's your phone?
Right here.
Huh? Right here. Can you give them your phone? You're gonna have to wait to go to court for me to get you out, but you can't kick that car and make it worse. Cause they're not gonna give you no bond.
Hey.
The bond man, he will rebond you out. He will rebond you out, but you have to be calm. You cannot kick the car. You can't do none of that, okay?
So
They taking him?
she is going.
I'm saying my son, they taking him?
Yes, because when in these situations, unless there's a written rule by a judge, mom will have the say. So mom is going, or kids are going with her mom.
But the rest of them ain't got nothing to do with me.
I know.
My son, I can't take my son.
Because it's a mutual son between you and mom,
Yeah.
and ultimately she'll have say over where that's the way the state of Florida is. She has say over where the kids go.
14 out of 15, 15, one female.
I love you. Love you.
Officers remind everyone involved of one critical thing. No matter what happened tonight, the kids come first. After being charged with battery and battery on LEO, the woman was ultimately taken into custody without any problems. Officers keep reassuring relatives, describing the court system, and making sure the kids are secure. The man, shaky but cooperative, stays on the scene. What started as a dispute over clothes turned into an arrest, a nightly family split, and a situation that could have turned out very differently if emotions had been controlled. This case is a powerful reminder of how fast everyday arguments can spiral, especially when emotions, relationships, and children are involved. It also highlights something important many people don't know. Domestic cases are handled by the state. Walking away is often the safest choice. And once police arrive, words and actions matter. Please let me know what you think about this situation in the comments, but remember to keep it respectful. If you want more real police footage breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this one, you'll definitely want to see the next case. Just click on another video titled, "Psychiatrist Threatens Officer's Job After Traffic Stop Arrest," and keep watching.